In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage passenger profiles. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new passenger profile, hover over Manage Data and click Create Passenger. This will bring you to the Add Passenger page. First, from the top, enter the passenger's first name and last name. If this driver has a legal middle name, you can enter that as well. And if this passenger will only be used on an ACI eManifest going into Canada, this is all that's needed, as passenger information is not a required element of an ACI eManifest. However, if you are planning on using this passenger in an AC manifest destined to the US, you will have to add the passenger's gender, date of birth, and citizenship. Once you enter the passenger's information, you can head on over to the bottom of the page where you'll have to enter the travel document information. If the passenger is traveling to the US on an AC manifest, it's best to enter the passport number. So enter the passport number in the document number field. Then, select the type of document this is, which in this case is a passport, and then the country the passport is issued in. It's important to note that when entering travel document numbers, to exclude any spaces, dashes, or special characters. So just enter the numbers and letters of the specific travel document. To add additional information to your passenger profile, click Show All Fields on the top right. Doing this will reveal fields such as adding a FAST ID and an ACE ID, which are optional if the passenger has a FAST card or specific ID number with the ACE data portal. Once you verify all the passenger's information and it's accurate, you can go to the top and click Save. This will bring you to the Passenger Details page, where you can quickly review the information entered for the passenger. And below, the latest ACE and ACI eManifests this passenger was used on. Once you're ready to create a new ACE or ACI eManifest and you'd like to use this passenger, just create, in this case, an AC manifest and quick assign the driver first, and after you assign the driver, a button below will appear. So click Add Passenger, and then just type in the first few characters of the passenger's name and it'll pop up for you. Just click it to assign it to the manifest. Or create a brand new passenger on the fly by clicking Add Passenger below, and just add the same information for the passenger from the beginning of the tutorial video, and just save it to add it to the manifest. You can also easily manage your passengers in BorderConnect. Just hover over Manage Data and click Search Passengers. Here, you can view a list of all the passengers you've ever entered into BorderConnect. You can easily view them, edit them, or even delete them if they're no longer part of your fleet.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.